Maria Halus Badru Muntagasgi kedua sami kadau hagaba Bansabet Mary Khongsni bersajuna I celebrate the birthday jungi Badru om tangupta kasap kapong baulay na ay hai nakapor the gift that God has given her she has made use and we are going to witness today the release of her first YouTube video in her channel. The name of the channel is Bansabet Mary Khongsni. So we praise and thank God, and now I take this opportunity to introduce this event to each one of you. And we have here Father Paul Lincott, rector of this community, Father Pendai, Father Anthony, Father Klein, Father Henry, the parents, friends, near and dear ones. So now I invite Father Pendai to welcome the gathering. Father Pendai, Priya Burum, yang ini gathering menta, but ini program yes, come on.
I also take this opportunity to, first of all, to thank God for this beautiful day, and it is He who brought us together here as a family, especially for this beautiful occasion, in a twins occasion that God her birthday at the same time, and also the releasing of the video. So once again, I also take this opportunity to welcome each one of you, especially Father Rector and Novice Master of this community, that is Sunnyside Novitiate. And I also welcome Father Jeffrey Khongsni, the uncle of Bansabet. Then Father Henry, who is here with us. Most welcome to this short program. And I also welcome Father Andre, my companion. He also is always there with us. And for our family here, we like one family. And finally, I also welcome Sister also here. Sister, you are most welcome to this short gathering. And their friends and family members of Bansabet. And of course, all of you, dear brothers, novices, you are most welcome. And thank you also for welcoming us to your community. At the same time, I welcome you for this short gathering. And finally, and once again, I thank Father for allowing us to have to have this program with this community, and for their university for allowing us to make the day beautiful as God has given us this day. I also welcome Father Pravir, the counselor of this house, then Father Klein, and Father Patrick, and all the domestic staff, all they are helping us. Oh, finally, we have brother also here, Masanino. So brother, thank you so much for being here with us, and also you are most welcome, and thank you and welcome all of you.
So thank you so much Father Pendai for what program that is releasing of the YouTube video. But before that, we would like to hear some words from the rector of this community, Father Paul Lincott. So after the speech, Father Paul Lincott will declare that this YouTube will be open to all. With that, the video will be released for everyone to watch. So Father, please welcome.
Yeah, I thank Father Jeffrey for giving me this opportunity to say a few words, and definitely to the family, Khongsni family here, to the Khongsni families and also, and definitely to Father Pendai, who was here before, the former administrator of the house, who belongs to this community, and Father Henry, director of Vice Bishop of Connect Parish, and Father Andre as the Vice Bishop of Marjorong, for Pravi, for Klein, then the nurses and my friends. Ya ini ngotenat bendaran kalapi hari ini nosi mat kawa mengiungi dapat kejingkuan babi wan hari ini ying jongi bakai kawa mengar yang kawa lawan Indo dengan kue kejing dari berkala pandai berkunjur kali kejing dari jongi ke ying batni kunjung dan Moskow wah ni tempi bakal kawa kerpang kata kejing dari jongi baru dan Moskow dari mohuhi belah taki berdalam kabar ki kejing nanti jongi di takarau ngar masmo kebalawan ong kata engan bagi ye jong bermusku bagi ni ke yeru berba kesedang yaki kun jugu kali ke ye sedang yaki kun jugu bermusku kali ke ye bagi sedang wan sai kai menang ni kin her ba balong kita atir jong blei ha kali ke pertai borok kawai bagi di novice ni kot bagi kejistan jongi ada mau yang ini bagi mereka ini bah pin mereka bayi Bansabet Mary Khongsni komjur berjalan ini jingrwai komjur ibawan bandring ini kan kerjakan kejungi tapi mereka ini ngopi ini hari ini kata apa long kata mereka kejia kata correction kewala ongba balai minggu memang ini di kei kewala mana si kawusuk ya di Bansabet Mary Khongsni sab kapong ko play lo ai oi mala mo i gitu was singin ko ni kini hari ko ba aga surkunor dai oi surkunor ko mga ni itu ba na project ko ada kan ko mai ko magri dai tena to i ka sab ni ba ha ka jingrwai ko play lo ai ko ni ban mata singin ba mo i jingrwai ke jingrwai ko ba udon bosko da i ye ke jingrwai Salve Regina. Kau mengi jingrwai man kabir. Sono kini jingrwai jongi ko jo na Moskow. Yang jingrwai ngimla baiklah. Kat sebagai yang pertai bar po ke channel itu jingrwai ni jingrwai Salve Regina. Mari kita Latin kalau tiga ainu ya kabir. Kublai usin jong ni baro. Kalau jingrwai hatin kasih hatin Latin baiklah hatin Latin lu. Excellent. We got your right to think about me, Ave Maria. Which your wife was so not about to your wife. In Latin, Sparkle Maria. In Nang to your wife, famous, the famous woman in Europe, Manin Kari, in the wife in your wife, Ave Maria. In Latin, was choir of Europe, Man come Italy, in wife in your wife, Maria. Take I know you pray that. Sab kapong mo baby ba kapangay ba lightning ni ga yutik prosing ning kong ray yak kuigne pam tar sniru krisi from jong ka Maria Our Lady of Luz Our Lady of Good Health ban kay ko ba yak iru kha ha ni ka sni so fitting kita go play no I can find be kampla go play no le ha ji ni but I will play nang play ba I will me bring kana dan hasan dah lebih, bagaimana I mensi lebih, lebih nyak atau nanti, bagaimana ngelawan pensiasyo yang jadi umum hari jadi, matang boleh batin, bat de kemarin setir, bagaimana biasa dan tadi pendek yang tak apa, boleh upawan penurlong yang jadi jadi. God has a dream for you and fulfill the dream, and never say I will not fulfill the dream, but you must fulfill the dream. That God has a dream for you, and already through the Christian of our Blessed Mother, she will be there always by your side. As I see how so, I will be there at number Kukadagri, I will come majesty, Kandan Buas and Adabi, a Maypa, a men, but Ki Para, but Ki Vaye and the Ki Baro, I can very friendly and smart the Eagles and the Baro. As I see how so, Kublesibon. Kau berikan pekerjaan ini kesini menengkau mau pergi ke mereka YouTube, but juru kau berikan kedok ini baru Facebook.
Ketika video rilis di paidbah, anggur syam nakot dia pada Henry Warbah ban ai jingrwai by complete kau namle taga first and last dan nang nei sumat kena sami sibon di video di ban sa priang ni ke gospel ha setelah percaya kamu hari-hari kasih jongi Di kepai pada ai jingrwai namba siapa like ini dah video nanti dapat pada Paul bisa press button dan regis.
Dai và nalai labat ban lecha room na room na le jingo itu ka chaka maria ka power roots ya ka por poi mga sito na sa license of swing hotel to do my English I speak French I don't know French so I just spoke some English and then that's all I went to the hotel and I asked them I want to stay here for the night and the day the people in the hotel said bed and breakfast not this bed, but step. Then I spent the whole 3-4 days there. I prayed to Lady of Lourdes, and then ketika ski bukan mau belum jaga, ni ke Maria ke Lourdes, agak Maria ke apa untuk kena Benedict. One day agak si tarik jeng disebar, acara puar kata ski Thursday, nona poin nengkong yang jeng bed, ini orang Bansabet nombor bed. Di Turki, pergi kena boarding dan kemudian piknik jasra, jika I breakfast ni hendak ambil bed, breakfast. So, dan aku tu kasih i Mei, kau thấy orang the bed i banang menuai, dia aku tu kasih i bagi ruai dia ni kena cuai. Nomor orang pada Paul, yang kena cuai ni lah ikai, nak kena kapal pada nak dihiang, dengan baru ki perar pada bagi ni nak nak cuai. Have a wife in away, you do the squeeze be a good lung. That is why for the bed, but white thick kumba, Jotin Kai, money have per table away. The bed I said, see cover soup, I will play on the cooker fee, but kuma don't think they were hair of an hour kinigi, Mahin Dunki, Marva, Kinigi Kna, Yahweh Paraki or Modo, Yahweh Paraki or my eight, or your name. Ma have ma tăng nhau ma làm tiếp đi cho nó so các bạn bây giờ một đêm một đêm là cái trong tăng mà nó đi vậy so let us continue to pray for Bansabet as we celebrate our birthday today and then we will rise up together and we will amen kajirap tuni kalau kerten tung try Trying to ring cut but Naga Kitab to Jeremiah, Blair on Hashra and Tau P, like 2 EP. Later can run and die and go born, it's Kemba, Nakanda, Jini Baro, Shop me on Bruce and Putay, give me he will uppercut, give me he will assign door, give me he will among Labu, Bangi, Brew, in long Jome. That bang one and Dagaski, Bantimunda, Hakanekaski. Kajami Bansabet Mary Khongsni, I will paidbah the Nalap and Kish Trunk, the power of elect, the Kurupan being the same and evil away, he may bar the men para, but give a David Jandy. Katba, Mairu, Yakan Mau, Yakan Ski, Agba, Maria Hidrade, Pau, Hagabenadet, Iva, Maria Canon, the side on board and got, then back in the side on board and got. Later can wrap in a Kurkur Pang, aka Pyllait, Hagin, the Swedish number so on. Kurkur Pang may give a board acting coaching here, like a super side of Hakamet. I can go Yaka, Sing 8, Sing a Floyd and give in a trade and cut, not with dark in Prem or Baha to me. What the Hakanika ski, the bed lap with me, Tanzania, why I went a sucker pong with done, not with me. Tuan mi Islam, menawai rok ketemu kau cuma kumulong kilo kau pakai angel, kibai rawai mesi junom, dah kesuatu tiang juga, but I think small mesin belum juga. Kerkuku panggil barok mesin mentah kaneka program mentah kesini, I mengiru menanglah banyak kesan, I mensim, berbenang jadi pensiun jadi khun jadi bagi menanglah kita program balik menunggu kami berapa. Jika buat depan bawa Kristus try ini, dekat beli berbor, pai saja, bahkan nanti saya kemat beli, nak kita mengkam, kemudian kesan juga thai, kemudian buat res, buat kikun ikut ibarat, ai gila kikun kan kikun ibarat, kemudian program crowd beli, bawa berhenti, ya berbet, yang ibarat kan poi saya kena kasih crowd, kasih juga jing program ini. Dapat naik program play, program. Kodun hitam Jisu, Maria Lapun from Portland Right,
Tuan yang bertajung,
School Koi,
Tuan yang bertajung,
Ikan yang berkoi Barok,
Tuan yang bertajung,
Pa,
Kini kas jingrwai sebagai channel jong i Bansabet Mary Khongsni, Salve Regina.
Sijaru yami ko play takan rat do uthau mila rila semua jadi habani pathai kemanian kabali syamsa namar klema me ko tra Jesu kacing intini kalau plan ai ada klema me ko tra Jesu nimla ai habani kasla pathai ada denga ne jingai duti kabang yai man kasing mem ju ino yangi ni ai simrani yada makarshan yangi Pagkakita tiyangi banginyay siya datang nanti bahag pada siya. Akan iklimat ni agang kadem kaburom napunta jinga ejemi perpangai napunta Bansabet Mary Khongsni. Ibarat kalai terligis nem ibang nakaku badoi. Sedang tek say hello jung ya jinga kaba idam kam. Matum juruk napunta ibang ngasem ibe pa dimen paraju. Pagkaku badoi yaki ibe ku badoi ini kadang Mamangiro nila pan sa krikam hasyu ni. Tuay jing aku bako jumi nabun tao ni pe. Kalong kada kasyen kajing kemen kajing tali kajing ikma kriyam. Agba mangi ya ba mesik ya umeke kalong siya kajing aku ngba kajing sebut jumi. Atau ay ba kata umpot liu pan kasay ng ba kajing ay jumi. Kawan hiya ban siyong mansa kajing pepe. Mamangi ilang kum si para hapus. Ipan kane da kusutra jumi. Amen. Buram hap.
So, I request the brothers to sing this song and Bansabet will come the king.
And in yo,
And
she will break in yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Bansabet. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, Bansabet. May God bless you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you, Bansabet. Happy long life to you. Hidup jiwa, bagai rumahnya. Hitam lagi tinggi, angin wasir hem, simpi dokiwan, laga lubang men. Hitam lagi tinggi, angin wasir hem. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Today is one of my happiest days of my life. My birthday is certainly a very special day in my life. What makes it most special is the presence of all of you who are here to show me just how much you love me. my heart is overflowing with gratitude. Not only do I get to celebrate my 13th birthday, but I also have the joy of releasing my video song. It is with immense joy and gratitude that I stand before you today to express my heartfelt thank you on this special day. First and foremost, I thank God the Almighty Father for the gift of life, for blessing me with the voice to sing, and for making this day so special. Without His grace, none of this would have been possible. A very big thank you to Father Paul Lunkot, Father Prabir, Father Patrick Naurang, and Brother Marcelo for providing the perfect place to shoot the video. And special thanks to Father Kleinbor Marjorie, the administrator, for not only supporting us but also making sure we were well taken care of with food. Your kindness means a lot. I am also deeply grateful to Father Jemiris Shilla for allowing us to use the parish campus for the video shoot. A heartfelt thank you to Father Edward Sten and Father Kmenang for teaching me and inspiring me to sing. Your guidance and encouragement have helped me to grow in music, and I truly appreciate it. I would also like to thank Madu, Father Pyllait, Mama, Father Jeffrey Khongsni, and I would not forget Father Matyed, Father Henry Warba, and also Father Anthony for being with me here today. Your presence makes this day even more special for me. A big thank you to Gregorius and Ignatius for all your hard work in shooting and editing this video song. You have made my dream come true through your dedication and creativity. And my biggest thanks go to my mom, my dad, my brothers and my sisters, my greatest supporters, my source of love and encouragement. Thank you for always believing in me, for your endless love, and for making every moment of my life so beautiful. Aku arupan ay kublay ya ni perlong jengme balawan na joy inaiet imisan te I pasan I badu te I duduru te bat ya baru balawan lang hak ni gesni kublay shibun papila don dekat nga pila don denta nga ban ngalala ban celebrate ya kani gesni khaja nga dakat jingkman. Lastly, to each and every one of you who are here today, thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of this special celebration. Your presence, love and support means.
Jingkman aba ngom chale misi leburom ya kme jumble mare fesuti but hagani gesni yang khat pagale gesni kha di Bansabet na ya ta jingkman celebrate simenta hagani jingkman gajungi baru ka first step juga syakata ke Bandung ita iatiar jumblay lengba kani ka video by the tulad ay makani ka initiative ka by shim kan long kata ka lenti na kata jugin jugi banyui ya kai ko blay kwa jadi harus ini sawan di tanah jugi long by long di reunion sister dua na kata kata jitmu boleh terkena nyelam lagi kat siapa mon. Kena celebrate sebentar kelawan saya kebakut lembaga tugas times di Bansabet. Mentah ni sepoi saya katakan. Ya.